Sup guys? It's me again SCJ. Today we got a package from our client from Santa Rosa Laguna. And that is one of the two largest municipalities in part of the Philippines. Also known as the Lion City of the South, is located west of Laguna de Bay. The province of Laguna, which is named after the famed body of water that serves as its northern boundary, is a site of history and patriotism. Thanks sir for trusting SCJ Repair Shop. We guarantee you with honesty and transparency service. Your trust is our foundation. And for our main event, our dear client sent us his iPhone 6s Plus with no power. Join me today and see what the best thing to do to save this device. As you can see, the motherboard is dirty and messy because of remaining flux in previous repair attempt. First thing first, let's find what is causing the problem using our multimeter. Here we go. After plugging into power supply, there's 1354 milliamperes coming into it. It means we have a large amount of current leaking all around the motherboard. Alright. We have a shorted line in our display connector. As you can see there's one damaged resistor in lower part of the FPC. To fix this problem, I need to replace a new one and see if our problem is solved. Before I forgot guys, if you're new in my channel, please click the subscribe button and bell icon for you to get notified in my future videos. Okay. Done replacing a damaged resistor with a new one. Now, let's try the phone if works normally. Alright. The phone boots up normally but there's no image showing in our display. Let's try to put another display and see if we got a good result. Apple logo on screen means the display is also damaged and need a replacement. In this part, I need to replace the battery because of unstable performance and bloated condition. If you guys have more question regarding to your unit, you can reach me out in the details place above this video. We can do international shipments and the repair process estimated 2 to 3 days. And the shipping period is not included. Okay guys, the phone works normally despite the worst condition of the motherboard. It means I have done successfully the process and restored the phone into fully functional and good as new performance. This unit is ready to return to owner and enjoy as good as new and fully restored iPhone. I hope he got satisfied to my work. And also you guys have catch more idea and more knowledge about this video. Thank you for watching and God bless.